Yes, we are aware that dogs love to kiss and lick its owners. And we also know that by these kisses and licks you might fight depression and totally forget about the stress of work. But have you ever asked yourself if it is safe to let your dog kiss or lick you? Keep watching to find out more about dogs' kisses. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to Known Pets channel to join the adventure that brings you closer to the most beloved creatures known to man. Get ready, things are about to get exciting. Number 4. Dogs' mouths versus human mouths. Have you ever asked yourself the question, is dog mouth cleaner than mine? Well, maybe you didn't because you think being cute and playful is enough and you don't care about the rest. Get ready for this. Dogs will not miss any opportunity to raid the garbage, either inside your house or outside. Besides, we as humans are used to giving a peck on the cheek when we meet a friend. Well, this is also familiar with dogs, but with a little difference, which is that this peck is in another place with a quick sniff. You get what I mean, right? Number 3. Dog's saliva bacteria. Oh yes, you should also ask yourself before you go ahead and kiss that big mouth, how many bacteria does a dog's saliva have? To get closer to the answer of this question, we should get back to what John Oxford, professor of bacteriology and virology at the University of Queen Mary of London, says that it is not only saliva bacteria, but there are also bacteria, germs, and viruses in their muzzles too. You can tell that by knowing that your dog probably spends half of his life looking and getting his nose in nasty places, digging for other dogs' droppings. Number 2. Penetration of dog's bacteria inside your body. After we talked about dog's saliva bacteria and all those stuff relating to it, I can see that blurry question in your mind. What is going to happen to me if these bacteria succeeded to get into my body? Are you really ready for the answer? Well, if the viruses, germs, or bacteria somehow manage to get inside your body, it can cause some serious health damages and real problems. That happened to a woman who caught an infection coming from her dog's saliva, causing her a slurred speech sound. So she contacted her doctor, and lately, the blood test showed that she had an infection because of bacteria that are known to be found in cat and dog saliva. But how she caught such infection without even has a scratch or a bite on her body? Well, you guessed it right. It is due to the saliva of her dog from licking and kissing. Number 1. Other diseases your dog can transmit to you. If we want to count the real number of all the diseases you can catch by kissing your dog, we will end up with a long video. So instead, we are going to mention only the most common diseases. Ringworm infection is considered a famous disease you can get from kissing your pet. Simply, if your puppy or kitten is infected from ringworm and somehow you kissed it, then congratulations, you got ringworm too that may look like a red circle on your skin. The third dog's disease in our list is the Capnocytophagia canemorsus. This one is a bacterium that will make you suffer and cause you some real health problems if it managed to somehow enter your body, mostly through a wound. And the list of these diseases is still too long, but we guess this is enough for you to know that your health can be in a serious problem if you are affected by one of them. How to prevent all these from happening? It will be such a shame if we did not talk about how to prevent health risks caused by having an innocent pet. So, here are some tips and quick advice you can follow to keep you safe while enjoying the companion of your dog. Number 1. Do not come close to your pet when you feel ill, and do not let your dog or cat play near your bed, and don't get any close contact with them. Why doing so is simply because in illness period your immune system is so weak. Besides, your body cannot afford a natural protection. For that reason, it is so easy to catch up one of the diseases we mentioned above. Number 2. Do not let your pet lick your face or kiss you straight to your mouth. Number 3. Never ever let your pet share a meal with you on the same dish. Number 4. Remember after every contact or touch with your pet to wash your hands. Number 5. If you are considering your pet as a member of your family, then you should vaccinate it and take them to the vet regularly. Number 6. When you are looking after your pet, giving them a shower, make sure to use antifungal and antibacterial shampoos. Number 7. Keep your dog away from any stranger animal or any other dog you know nothing about. Number 8. Do not let your dog search on garbage and eat its content. Number 9. Keep your pets away from raw fish, eggs, and anything that is raw. Number 10. Last but not least, make sure to clean their toys and dishes from time to time. Tell us in the comments below, what do you think about all of that? Do you believe in that?
Bringing you more value per minute than any other pets channel out there. Or at least trying to. We would appreciate if you at least like or share this video. That would mean the world to us.